Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for you to see what is in store for today, but before we do that, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel before you leave, and let's get started. So today is going to be like unboxing Christmas stuff, so like basically Christmas makeup. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to call this, but I'm basically going to be showing you guys what I got for Christmas makeup wise at least. So let's start with the Sephora bag. Aha! You guys saw that in the thumbnail. Isn't that so cute? So this is mainly from my mother-in-law, my grandma, and my aunt, and a couple of other people. So yeah, I'm really excited, and thank you guys so much for the Christmas presents. I really enjoyed spending the time with you guys, and I love you, so yeah. So in my Sephora bag, I thought this was really cool. It's a brush set with a brush bag to put them in. I think that's so adorable. So excited to use these. They're the Spellbound brush set from Sephora Collection. Next I have the Sephora Pink Clay Mask. The Nanette Lempour set of 4 mini blending sponges. Ain't those so cute? They're so little. I got these coconut water cleansing wipes, cooling gel under eye masks, Enchanted Sky palette from Sephora Collection, cream lip stain set, the highlighting sponge Elf from Elf. The Elf highlighting sponge, whatever you want to say. There's like a flat side that has like a different kind of applicator on it, and then the rest of it's just like a regular sponge applicator, so I'm really excited to try that. And lastly, a vanilla coconut bath bomb. So now I got this silver bag that I'm going to be pulling stuff out of. I got these Avon Glazewear lip gloss, little travel size kind. I'm really excited to try this. It's the Avon True Color Makeup Setting Spray. My grandma always knows I need these. They're makeup remover wipes. I got 2 of them. They're from Avon. I got this Avon True Colors Beautiful Lip Palette. So it's like lipsticks in a palette. So that's really exciting. Avon True Color Magical Eyes Palette. Avon True Color Be Glossy Lip Gloss. The Avon Mark Mod Pop eyeshadow palette. If there's anything from Avon that I think you guys should get, it's definitely this. This is the Avon True Color Moisturizing Eye Makeup Remover Lotion. I know that sounds kind of weird, like lotion for your eyes, but if you don't put too much on like a cotton cloth and like rub the eye makeup off your eyes, you know, like sometimes if you use like a makeup wipe, it can kind of hurt. Well, with this, it doesn't do that, and it takes everything off no matter what you're wearing, so it's really nice. So it's kind of like a re-up of that. Everything else I don't think that I've tried besides the lip gloss. A dual-ended blackhead remover. Yes, girl. I've never used one of those, so I'm really excited to try that. Another lip gloss. Then I have the Avon Glimmer Stick Lip Liner. It's like a red lip liner. And lastly, a Avon Moisture Therapy Intense Healing and Repair Moisturizing Lip Treatment Balm. Wow, that's got a long name. It's just basically like a chapstick. Now I got this big old thing from my aunt. It's like Paris Hilton makeup, Nightlife and Boss Life. And it's got like a bunch of stuff in here. Look at all that stuff. It looks like it comes with eyeshadow, eyeliner, a brush, some mascara, a highlighter palette, some like lip gloss, and liquid eyeshadow, maybe some brow stuff. I'm not really sure what some of this stuff is. Maybe a lip liner too. Some of it's like twisted around where I can't really read what it is, but yeah, there's also a couple pencil sharpeners in there for like your pencil products, but yeah, so that's exciting. And I got these Pro Beauty Essentials Lashes for Days Pro Lash 5-pack of Wispies. So those look really nice. And then something that I bought myself. I got the Lily Lashes in in Style Miami and Mykonos, because I always hear everybody talking about these all the freaking time. So I was really excited and I really wanted to try them out. And Lily Lashes had like a sale going on, so I decided to take advantage of that. So yeah, that's the makeup that I got for Christmas. I'm definitely going to be doing some videos with them in the future. I'm thinking maybe something like maybe a full face Sephora Collections, or maybe a full face Avon, or a full face Paris Hilton, or whatever you guys suggest that I do with these products. Definitely comment down below if you have an idea of something that you guys want me to do, or whichever one you want me to do first. With this camera, I can actually like zoom in, so you guys can actually get like in closer. Like I just kind of have it zoomed out right now, but I can zoom in closer so that you guys can like actually see what I'm doing with my eyeshadow and stuff like that. I'm really excited to do that with my new camera, and the quality is so much better. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any video suggestions, please comment them down below, and check the description box for more information about the video. My Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are at GlamGirlGray. See you next time.